Yeah, check it out. Kick-ass bike, man. What's up, people? How's it going? Welcome to my channel and welcome to another video. God damn it. As soon as I start, I run into some bumbling buffoons. So today happens to be a glorious Saturday, the first Saturday of 2026. So happy new year to everyone. I wish everyone all the best for the upcoming year. Having said that, I'm off to meet a couple of my buddies and check out whatever they are up to. So as I was saying, I'm off to meet my buddies and check out whatever they're up to. So I just thought I'll make a quick video, just check on you guys and see how's it been. The numbers for the past 2 or 3 videos are encouraging, so it seems like I gained a few numbers in terms of audience. So whoever has subscribed recently, thanks a bunch. I hope you guys stick around. I don't know about you guys, but 2025, the year that just went by, was quite eventful. I mean, by all standards. I mean, if you look at it globally, skirmishes, violences have only intensified. I mean, we had our own bit of skirmish or trouble or battle, whatever you might want to call it, in our own backyard, which led to a lot of loss of life on both sides. I mean, the cause for that itself was like mindless, reckless nonsense and violence. But then that is how life is. And just as I left my home, there was this article saying that Venezuela, the capital of Venezuela, Caracas, got bombed. Somebody's calling, let me check. But if you look at things on the positive side, there were a couple of things which were encouraging. We recently had the first Indian on the International Space Station, so I think that's a remarkable achievement. Then recently we also had an Indian winning the Booker Prize, someone from Karnataka, so that's also phenomenal. So congratulations to the author, the people of Karnataka, and to every one of us as well, because it is also a remarkable achievement. In addition to that, I think we had the women's team winning their World Cup trophy, so that's also remarkable. So congratulations to them as well. So yeah, there have been positives, quite a lot of them in the year that has gone by. However, the effects of whatever has happened in the past year will be felt this year, because the effects of violence, war, will be felt for years to come, for generations to come. So let's see how that plays out. Anyway, enough of that. Now let's get back to what we are up to, what I'm up to, or what my friends are up to today. So I'm very close to one of their residences. So I'll probably, you know, pick up the vlog once we get moving from his place. Let's see. So see you guys on the other side. So we're off to a place called Adarsh Motors to check on, you know, his existing stock, and also, you know, do some marketing kind of activities, because my friend is trying to, you know, offload his Diavel V4. So let's go and check what is that all about. By the way, that's the Ducati Diavel V4. If anybody is interested, it's up for grabs. So we are almost there. So in a bit we'll check out what they are all about. Interesting store, interesting experience. They had, like, you know, quite a lot of inventory. Couple of 750s, couple of Kawasaki's, couple of Ducatis, couple of BMWs, even a Benelli, a 650 Ninja. So if any of you are looking for them, you can come down and check him out. The chap also seems to be quite decent. So a good place to come down if you want to get a pre-owned bike. Decent stock. And if you want to check out the Diavel V4, probably you can talk to the guy as well. Seems to be, you know, listing it at a fair price. So as I was saying, this was a small vlog, a quick vlog rather, just to check in on everyone and express my gratitude for the new subscribers who have joined, and also to wish all of you a happy new year. On that note, I'll be signing off from today's video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Until then, peace out.